The end of graphic designers? AI logo makers are replacing you. Hey there, fellow creatives, I'm here to talk about a topic that's been creating a lot of buzz currently in the design world, the rise of AI logo makers and the potential threat they pose to graphic designers everywhere. Now before we dive into this, let's get one thing straight. AI logo makers are not going to completely replace graphic designers anytime soon. Design is a complex and nuanced field that requires human creativity, intuition, and expertise. However, there's no denying that AI is changing the game in a big way, and it's important for designers to be aware of these developments. So what exactly are AI logo makers and how do they work? Well, in a nutshell, they're software programs that use algorithms and machine learning to generate logos automatically. They analyze data on our company's industry, target audience, and brand identity, and then use that information to create a logo that fits your needs. AI algorithms can create and identify objects, colors, shapes, and patterns in images, making it easier for graphic designers to find suitable images for their projects. It can help designers enhance and manipulate images with minimal effort. For example, AI can remove backgrounds, adjust colors, add filters, and apply special effects. AI can help designers generate layouts by analyzing content and creating designs that follow established design principles. This can save designers time and effort when working on large projects. AI can also be used to create personalized designs based on user preferences and data. For example, websites and apps can use AI algorithms to create personalized logos or layouts based on user data. AI can be used to optimize designs for different platforms and devices. For example, AI algorithms can adjust designs to fit the screen size and resolution of various devices. Sounds pretty cool, right? And in many ways, it is. AI logo makers are fast, efficient, and cost-effective. They can create hundreds of logo options in a matter of minutes, saving you time and money in the design process. But here's the thing, while AI can generate logos, it can't truly understand the nuances of your brand or your target audience. It can't interpret the subtle nuances of human emotion or cultural context that inform great design. And that's where human designers come in. Design is not only about aesthetics. It's about storytelling, empathy, and communication. It's about understanding your audience and crafting a visual language that speaks directly to them. And while AI can certainly help with the technical aspects of design, it can't replace the human touch. Think about it this way, if you needed a portrait painted of yourself or a loved one, would you trust an AI program to do it justice? Of course not. You'd want a human artist who can capture the essence of your personality and spirit. The same is true for logo design. So, what does this mean for graphic designers? Well, for one, it means that we need to stay updated with all the latest trends and technologies in our field. We need to be familiar with AI and other tools that can enhance our work without letting them replace our core strengths as designers. It also means that we need to focus on the aspects of design that AI can't replicate, namely the human element. We need to develop our skills in empathy, communication, and storytelling, and use those skills to create designs that truly resonate with our clients and their audiences. At the same time, we need to be open-minded and adaptable. AI is not going away anytime soon, and it's important for us to explore how we can use it in collaboration with our own skills and expertise. For example, we could use AI-generated logos as a starting point, and then refine them with our own creative touch. Ultimately, the rise of AI logo makers are not a threat to graphic designers. It's an opportunity. It's an opportunity for us to evolve our craft, embrace new technologies, while staying true to our core values as designers. Design is an art form, and like all art forms, it requires creativity, imagination, and a unique perspective that only humans possess. AI can mimic our designs and create variations, but it cannot replace the passion and personality that designers infuse into their work. AI logo makers are not replacing graphic designers, but they're transforming the design industry. While AI can streamline the design process, reduce costs, and other efficiency, it cannot replace the creativity, intuition, and human touch that designers bring to the table. Design is an art form, and it requires a unique perspective, passion, and personality that only humans possess. So if you're a designer, don't worry about losing your job to AI logo makers. Embrace the changes, learn new skills, and keep honing your creativity because there's still a place for human designers in the design industry. And that's a wrap, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the world of design. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep designing.